What happens when you let artificial intelligence take over your daily life? Can AI make better decisions than me? Will I become more productive, healthier, or just completely lose control? And most importantly, will AI help me or totally mess up my week? Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal the biggest mistake I made while letting AI take over. Like this video if you've ever used AI for something weird. Rules of a challenge. AI makes all decisions. What to eat, when to sleep, what to do. Only follow AI-generated workouts, meal plans, and schedules. Can't override decisions unless there's an emergency. AI tools used. ChatGPT for decision-making and life advice. Google Assistant, Siri, Alexa for reminders and automation. MyFitnessPal and Whoop Band for AI-driven health tracking. Otter.ai for auto-transcribing thoughts and notes. Tech tip, AI-powered apps like Replika can even offer emotional support during the challenge. Like this video if you've ever argued with AI. Day 1 highlights. AI decided my wake-up time. No snoozing allowed. AI-generated to-do list, prioritized work, self-care, and random activities. Meal planning and grocery shopping. AI picked the healthiest meals, but was it actually good? Weird AI moment. AI suggested I eat broccoli smoothies for breakfast. Smart home assistant wouldn't stop reminding me to drink water. Like this video if AI has ever given you questionable advice. Can AI optimize my health? AI scheduled my workouts based on energy levels. AI recommended my ideal sleep schedule. Spoiler, it was brutal. Heart rate and stress tracking. AI adjusted activities based on real-time biometrics. Tech Insight. Apps like Whoop and Oura Ring give AI-powered recovery scores. AI workouts included random yoga at 3 p.m. Not ideal in a Zoom meeting. Comment below. Would you let AI pick your workouts? Like this video if AI has ever overestimated your fitness level. How AI handled my social life. Suggested I text old friends to optimize emotional well-being. Scheduled social events I didn't necessarily want to go to. Try to matchmake me with random acquaintances. Awkward. Most cringe moment. AI wrote a robotic apology text for missing a friend's party. I regret to inform you of my absence. Like this video if you'd let AI handle your text for a day. Biggest AI fails. Suggested I take a productivity break at 3 a.m. Told me to drink 2 liters of water before bed. Bad idea. Auto-replied to emails with affirmative instead of a normal response. Lesson learned. AI is great for optimizing routines, but it lacks human intuition. AI can't replace gut instinct or common sense. Like this video if AI has ever given you ridiculous advice. Biggest mistake. Relying too much on AI. AI is a great assistant, but not a replacement for decision-making. Human intuition is greater than algorithms, especially for social interactions. Best AI takeaway? Automation is amazing, but balance is key. Like this video if you think AI should assist, not control, our lives. Would you let AI run your life for a week? Drop a comment below. Want more crazy tech experiments? Like this video if you found this experiment interesting. Subscribe for more AI, tech, and health content. Share this with someone who's addicted to smart assistants. Thanks for watching. Check out these videos for more AI experiments, health hacks, and tech reviews. And I'll see you next time on Health and Tech TV.